Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Odinlake brand, their ergonomic office chair with a footrest. It's a Ergo Pro chair model 633. Now the company provides a great warranty, 12 years, and it includes the wheels. Most chair companies only offer a 1-year warranty, so this is really good. This is a heavy-duty chair. As I'm taking it out of the box, it's very heavy-duty. Has adjustable height, armrest, headrest, footrest, back recliner, back tilt angle and tension, seat tilt and seat depth. Release footrest with an easy pull. Armrest adjusts up and down, fore and aft, and right and left. Follow-up mesh back and seat depth adjustable, provide lumbar support. Comfy, firmer density contoured foam cushion. Floor-friendly urethane wheels roll smoothly and quietly, and they do have the industry standard shaft on them because I just measured that. This chair will support up to 400 pounds, and it has 145 degree recline at maximum. And after opening up the box, this is really heavy duty. Now this is based on the latest ergonomic posture. The Ergo Pro 633 backrest is shaped closely to the human spine. This unique design helps improve good posture when sitting straight and reclining. Uses the finest quality elastic mesh fabric. The seat height, you can press the handle on the right side of the seat. You can adjust the chair height to get a comfortable sense. Tilt tension, you can rotate the knob under the seat to adjust the backward tightness. You can put up your feet and relax because the Ergo Pro 633 provides a footrest to relieve calf pressure. The seat height adjustment 17.5 inches to 20 inches. Even a 5'2" user can put the feet on the floor easily and get good back support. Has a breathable mesh, firm mesh cover, density foam cushion with eco-friendly foam, provides optimal softness. It relieves hip pain, making this truly comfortable chair for use in the home or office. Now this company, Odinlake, is sustained with an industry-grade Class 3 gas lift, providing the added adjustability you need. The caster wheel diameter are 2.45 inches, and there's 5 caster wheels. The company offers free returns for 14 days if the product isn't what you expected. Now I'm going to show how this package was sent in the box in each component. Then we're going to assemble it and we're going to test it out. So I just got the chair delivered and came in a real big box, everything packed nicely. So I just took everything out just to show you how it's all packed. I'm going to show each one of the components that came wrapped separately. This is the base that has the wheels attached to it, and the center column goes there. This is the 5 wheels that it comes with, 2 wheels per wheel, and the nuts and bolts, and the really heavy-duty gas cylinder. This is the seat back that was all wrapped up nicely. This is the base of the seat that you sit on, and it's really heavy-duty, and it comes in a nicely written instruction booklet. Here is the left and the right armrests, and here is the really heavy-duty mechanical section that goes under the seat, allowing all the adjustments that the chair has. Okay, the first step is to install each wheel into the base, and you should be able just to push that in place. Then you want to turn it over and put the heavy-duty cylinder right in the top right here and just push down. It's pressure fit in there just like that. Now the next thing is to install the armrests, and you're going to be using 4 long bolts, and these are 50 millimeter in length. Helps if you have a micrometer, and 2 are going to be 40 millimeters in length. The shorter ones are going to go on the inner holes and the longer ones on the outer holes. And you're going to use washer on each one of those. Make sure you pick the washer that has the smaller size that matches the hole. To hold this up, I have a pan under the table right here, which keeps it at the approximate height to make it a little easier. Make sure they're good and tight. Okay, now we're going to be mounting the seat plate. There's 4 mounting points. I'm going to be using the longer screws. These are 75 millimeter, and you'll be using these washers. Make sure you pick the one with the smaller hole, and we're going to be mounting all 4 of those in the corner. And make sure you tighten them down. So one of the final steps is to install the back mesh seat portion for your back, and you can need somebody to hold this in place and slide this all the way back so that you can gain access to these 4 screws right here. You're going to be putting in the shortest screw with the washer. That's the widest inside hole. You're going to be placing 4 of those in these holes right here. Make sure they're all tight. Now the final assembly is to place the cylinder section into this receptor hole where the cylinder is going to go. And then you're going to be standing the unit upright on its wheels. So here's the finished chair. And it looks really stylish. I'll show all the adjustments that you can make on this next. And right now I have it at the lowest point on the cylinder, and I can raise up. We'll do that next. Just lift that like that, and then it lifts up the whole chair. You can change the armrest angle just like that, and then there's a button right here where you could raise and lower it up and down, and the back headrest part you could raise up or drop down so that it could align yourself with your neck perfectly. There is a built-in suspension system in here that just allows it to put the right amount of pressure on the lower part of your back. It feels really good. And there's a big knob on the bottom that you can rotate to loosen and tighten the spring tension of the suspension of the whole back so that you can determine how much tension you want, or you can lock it in place so it doesn't move at all. So using this lever right here, you could lock the angle of the seat at certain angles, or you can have it so that it will move, and then the tension could be adjusted as I mentioned. A lot of controls on here to make it just the way you like it. So it also has this unique function. And now you have a leg rest. Never seen that before in a chair. That's nice. And it's on a bushing so that the angle could change so you get a nice comfortable position on your calves. This chair is really attractive when you look at it. I mean, it just looks high-tech, like you'd have in some high-tech office, like in the movie The Matrix. That's what it looks like to me. Very comfortable. So after assembling the Odinlake 633, what do I think about this chair? I really like it. It's comfortable. You got a ton of adjustments on here. The lumbar support works really well. I love that it's got this mesh so that you don't get hot in the summer, because I always get hot when I'm sitting in a chair. And it has a really oversized and really cushiony seat. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Again, this is the model A633-1 from Odinlake. I really like it. I think you will also.